Hi and welcome to Casual DIY channel. In today's episode we're going to be making a trolley. Check out the video. Okay, so as some of you may know, I'm actually moving out of the UK and heading to Poland. The packing is going well. One thing just struck me. We've got so much stuff, it's absolutely beyond belief. So to help with the removal of our stuff, I'm actually going to make a quick, really simple trolley. What am I going to use? I've bought some really heavy duty casters, as the boxes I'm going to be shifting around are pretty heavy, as most of them are from my workshop. We used to have some bedside tables made in an industrial style. It's galvanized pipes, galvanized steel, and that's what I'm going to be using as a handle for the trolley itself. And the base will be a sandwich of 18mm plywood, 2 pieces, just to make sure it's really rigid. This will prevent from sagging underneath the weight. I'm hoping for that anyway, but we'll see how it goes. So let's break down the sheet of plywood first. And the next part obviously is to combine both of the pieces together. I'm going to be using some glue and lots of screws. And there you go, nice and simple project. Tell you what, this will come in handy when I'm going to be loading the lorry with my stuff. Definitely, it was worth making it for sure. So as you can see, a really simple project for you guys today. If you enjoyed it, dropping that like button down below. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel for any future content. And over here is just a really cool playlist with all my woodworking projects, jigs and everything for my workshop. If you're interested, go and have a look. Thanks for watching.